What's good, my YouTube family? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another banger. If you're not part of the Trusted Signals community, now is the time to join because we have full automation via Automated Trader. Yes, the webhook that you guys are seeing is firing directly into the broker. Everything fully automated via Automated Trader and Trusted Signals Hunter. This bot is jam-packed with a bunch of things to go ahead and give you guys the ability to become profitable. It's going to go ahead and give you the entry, the take profits, the stop loss, and we have everything built in so that way you guys can use proper risk management on every single trade. Okay, as you guys can see right here, anything that happens on this chart is going to happen in your broker, and you guys can do so by joining us today. You guys can get access to the Trusted Signals lifetime membership, okay, and it's going to come with Automated Trader as well. You guys are going to be able to go ahead and sign up. If you guys haven't watched my setup video, make sure that you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel for Trusted Signals, where I just released the full onboarding video, so that way you guys can get alerts just like this fired into your broker. If you guys want to see more videos on the Ask Chris P channel, make sure that you guys hit that like button, hit that sub button, and happy automation. If you're still watching this video, in the comments, I'm going to go ahead and put this secret link, and I'm going to go ahead and have it for the next 10 users only. And I'm going to paste this link under every single video. So if you are one of the lucky 10 users, congratulations. You basically saved $1,500. And on top of that, you're also getting lifetime membership to automatedtrader.com. So if you guys are lucky enough to find the link, I will delete it when the 10 users are taken. So let's see.